Hello friends, welcome back to this incredible session with me, where today I'm going to tell you a story and a moral of the story, as there always is a moral from the story that we hear, but this is gonna be different. This is gonna be really different. We are gonna learn something very different, something extremely opposite to what we have been hearing of, to what we have been learning from that same story, that same old story. We are gonna turn around. We are gonna change how we have been looking at things until now. This is 21st century. We are all digital. Things are moving really fast. So we need to change the learnings that we have had been getting from the stories that we have had been hearing. So this is the first one that is somewhere deep inside us. All of us have heard this across the geographies, and almost in every country we listen to the story. What is that story? It is about the tortoise and the rabbit. It is about the tortoise and the rabbit. Who wins the race? It was the tortoise who won the race. What was the story about? So once upon a time, there was a tortoise and a rabbit participating in a race. So the tortoise and the rabbit participating in a race. They both started from the same starting point. And the rabbit was incredibly fast. Tortoise was very slow. He started the race moving ahead very slowly, whereas the rabbit ran very fast, and he almost completed the lap 1 of the race, and tortoise had possibly not even completed 25% of the lap 1. So looking at this, the rabbit thought, let's take some rest. So he took a few minutes nap, a few minutes rest, and then once again started running, completed his lap 2, and then he turned back and saw that the tortoise is just completing his lap 1 now. So he decided to take another nap, and this one could have been a more comfortable one, this one could have been a longer one, and that is why he started taking that nap. Now unfortunately, that nap turned out to be so long that he didn't realize this, because he had somewhere got into his mind that okay, the tortoise is gonna come very slow and I can take a comfortable nap. So he took that nap, and the tortoise slowly completed his lap 1, his lap 2, and he turned out to be the winner. And what is that moral of story that we have always been hearing to? We have heard of, that we have listened of, that our teachers have taught us? Slow and steady wins the race. Right? That is what we have heard of. But let me tell you, this does not work today. The moral of the story needs to change. The moral of the story has changed today. You cannot say that the slow and the steady wins the race. It is the fast and the furious who win the race. The moral of the story should have been that the rabbit should have never taken a nap. When you are in a race, you do not take a nap until you win. When you are in a race, you never take a nap until you win. No matter who your competitors are, you win, and only then maybe you take rest. Until then, you are extremely fast, you are extremely furious, you are extremely focused, and you do not take a nap. You have no right to take a nap, to get comfortable, to be in your comfort zone. Think your competitors are weak, think your competitors are loose, think that you are the best. You do not have that right to think yet until you have won the game. Once you win the game, you can definitely take a little bit of rest, a small nap, but not yet get comfortable. This is true for any of the businesses, this is true for any of the students, this is true for all the aspects of life. We cannot have it as a slow and steady wins the race, but it is about do not take a nap, do not rest, do not get into your comfort zone until you win. That has to be the moral of the story. So what do you think about this changed moral of story. What do you think about this new idea of looking at the same old story? What do you think? Do you really think time has changed and you need to change? Do you think the moral of the story should be changing? If yes, tell me in the comments below how you plan to change things for yourself, how you plan to bring about a change in your life by stopping to follow slow and steady wins the race, but following that you can never get into your comfort zone, you can never get comfortable just because you completed lap 1. There is lap 2, there is lap 3, and there are many more things to come. So wish you all the best from me, Savan Kumar, and see you the next day. Have a great and a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend too. Bye bye.